In today's video, I am testing the built-in RSI Bollinger Bands Reversal strategy inside the TakePropips Trading Management Solutions EA, and I am going to take 100 trades on GBPUSD using the M15 timeframe to see how this mean reversion setup really performs in live market conditions. This is a strategy designed to catch reversals when price pushes too far in one direction and starts to snap back, which is something GBPUSD on M15 does quite often during ranging sessions. This strategy combines two powerful indicators, RSI and Bollinger Bands. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, measures momentum and helps identify when the market is overbought or oversold. When RSI shows low values, it suggests selling pressure may be exhausted, and when it shows high values, buying pressure may be fading. Bollinger Bands, on the other hand, measure volatility and create dynamic upper and lower bands around price. When price pushes into these outer bands, it signals that price is stretched away from its average and could be ready for a pullback. Here is how the strategy works in simple terms. A buy signal is generated when price touches or falls below the lower Bollinger Band, while RSI confirms weakness in momentum, signaling that the market may be oversold and ready to reverse upward. A sell signal is generated when price touches or rises above the upper Bollinger Band, while RSI confirms strength in momentum, suggesting that the market may be overbought and ready to rotate downward. If neither condition is met, there is no trade. The strategy focuses purely on capturing those exhaustion points where price extends too far and probability favors a snapback toward the mean. What makes this even more powerful inside the Trading Management Solutions EA is how the entries are executed and managed. As soon as a buy-or-sell condition is detected, the EA can automatically place the trade without hesitation, and it can also send instant trading signal alerts so you never miss an opportunity. This removes emotional decision-making and ensures every valid setup is taken consistently across all 100 test trades. Another major advantage is how stop loss and take profit are handled. Instead of using a fixed pip stop loss, the EA uses a dynamic stop loss based on real market conditions. It can calculate stop placement using key support and resistance zones or an ATR multiplier, which means the stop adapts to actual market structure and volatility. This is far superior to randomly choosing a fixed pip value because it places stops in more strategic and less vulnerable areas where normal price fluctuations are less likely to take you out prematurely. The take profit is also dynamic and based on the average true range, which reflects current market volatility. When volatility expands, targets expand. When volatility contracts, targets adjust accordingly. Traders can also choose a fixed risk to reward ratio or manual points if they prefer predictable outcomes, but the ATR multiplier approach keeps profit targets aligned with real price behavior. This creates more realistic, risk-adjusted exits instead of arbitrary pip targets that ignore what the market is actually doing. For this test, I will run 100 trades on GBPUSD M15 and track the results carefully to see the win rate, consistency, and overall performance of this reversal strategy. GBPUSD is known for its clean intraday swings and strong mean reversion during consolidations, which makes it an interesting pair to test this setup on. If you want to see how this strategy performs after all 100 trades, make sure you keep watching until the end of the video where I break down the full backtest results. And if you want to try this RSI Bollinger Bands reversal strategy yourself with automated execution and real-time trading alerts, visit TakePropips.com to access the free demo version of the Trading Management Solutions EA and test it on your own charts.